myself. But yeah, I imagined I might get some new people coming to watch this video. So yeah, hi, I'm Sophie. Subscribe to my channel, hit the button below there or there. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok below, because that's where you can see way more updates and things like that. So let's get into this video. I'm really excited. I can't believe this has actually happened. I can't believe I got the call from my sales assistant, well, message being like, I've got something you've been after. I got the message yesterday. And then like within an hour, I went into the Bond Street store and went and met my sales assistant. So I'm gonna stop talking and setting the scene. I'm just gonna unbox and then we can talk, okay? Oh my god, that really took it out of me. How cute is she? Oh my goodness. Like, I know people are gonna be like, it's so small, what can you even fit in there? I'm telling you for a fact, this is not gonna fit my phone. It's not gonna fit my wallet, but it will fit my bank cards. I don't care what people say about the size of this bag. It is so cute. So this is the Chanel Spring Summer 22 heart-shaped small leather goods. So this is technically not a handbag. I mean, the size probably would have given that away anyway. It's kind of like a clutch, considered like a clutch, or almost like a wallet on a chain. Either way, it's considered a small leather goods. It's not in the handbag section, and the price reflects that. So the price of this one is £2,550, whereas I believe the actual handbag size one, which can fit more in, that's like £4,000, like 4,080. Either way, so there is a price difference there, and like obviously it's reflected in the fact that one's considered a handbag and actually can probably fit your phone in, and this one cannot, because it's just so teeny tiny and adorable. So yeah, these are obviously, being with the price point, 2,500, it's a really decent price for Chanel, and also the fact that it's heart-shaped. The demand for this is insane. So I got a message from my sales assistant, obviously saying we've got the white one that you wanted, because I requested the white, because I thought I've requested the black in the actual handbag, and I requested the white in this. And apparently, so you can't be on a wait list for two colors of the bag, so you can only be on the wait list for one bag. But as this is like a small leather goods, I could be on the wait list for both this and for the bag. And I did say when she messaged me, I was like, oh my god, if I get this, will I be like removed from the wait list for the actual handbag? And she was like, no, you won't, so don't worry. And I was like, yes, okay. But let's talk about the heart-shaped design. So a lot of people at first, when this went out on the Spring Summer 22 runway, people were like, it's such a gimmicky design, it's really cute, but it's such a gimmick, blah, 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 blah. Since then, quite a lot of designers have brought out heart-shaped bags. I've seen it more so in sort of your mid-range, like affordable luxury designers. I have seen it on high street already. So yes, maybe gimmicky, but it's definitely set off a thing for like heart-shaped accessories. And personally, I love it. I think life's been so depressing the past couple of years. Like, why not have a little bit of joy and a little bit of fun in your wardrobe, even with a price tag which is like ridiculously expensive for such a small item? But you know, a fun fact that my sales assistant told me. So when we went in, she took me to a private room to look at the bag, and she said that anyone who's getting something heart-shaped has to go view it in a separate room, because it basically just creates like so much like stress and hysteria on the shop floor. As soon as someone sees anything heart-shaped, people just lose it. These bags are in demand so much. So yeah, that's why they took me to a room aside, which I thought was actually really funny, but it was great. I love my sales associate, is so nice. She's so lovely, and I am so happy with this bag slash clutch slash coin purse slash wallet slash tiny pouch. Let's talk about colors. So it comes in, I believe, purple, pink, black, white, and also in gold. And that's across all of them. And I think, so obviously we've got the larger side, the larger handbag variation, and then we've got this one. I do think there's an even smaller version I think I've seen online, which is like teeny tiny. I don't know if it's some kind of like, almost like a belt sort of situation, but I don't know any price points for that. I don't know how accurate that is, but I have seen one that looks smaller. Either that, or the people have really, really, really big hands who are holding it. I don't know. I have small hands, so this is how it looks in my hands. I have really small hands. I have a small face, so let's like do a face side-by-side comparison. So yeah, it's smaller than my face. Let's open this up and have a look what's inside. So, yeah, it's so teeny tiny. Maybe I'll have to do a what I can fit in there, but we have the authenticity card, which I am actually going to put back in the box for safety. So we're gonna keep you in the box, because I just feel like if I wear this, I'm just gonna keep pulling things in and out and just ruin it. So yeah, this is the inside. This is all we can see. So it's got the little pocket at the back. It has got the little pocket at the front as well. I don't really know what you can fit in this other than a receipt, a bag of narcotics, maybe like a dog poo bag. This is like a dog poo bag. This is like a really bougie dog poo bag carrier. So let's talk about the chain. So the chain is really, really weighty. Like, for it actually feels weightier than my Chanel mini rectangle mini, and it's really like, I really appreciate that about it. It definitely, considering it's a small leather goods and not technically a handbag, it definitely makes it feel like more premium, which it should do because it's Chanel, like, you know. But it's really weighty. Really appreciate a nice weighty chain. And then little details here that I showed you in the unboxing is just this little heart there. The larger one like is really beautiful because I think it has two like heart-shaped like little pulls on it, and I just think it's so cute. But yeah, I am so grateful that I've got this. I've been manifesting this all the time, and I'm just now manifesting getting the black one as well. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop talking about this tiny little silly handbag and go and get a coffee because I feel like I really, really need one. I'm really starting to like flag now. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate the time that you spent watching this video and watching me ramble on about the little tiny ridiculous handbag. If you have any major questions, hit me a DM, shoot me a DM on Instagram. The link is below. My handle is It's Sophie Milner, and also my TikTok as well. Just follow me on both of those, it's easier, and I also post way more on there. So the handle for my TikTok is also at It's Sophie Milner, and I'll be back with another video very, very, very soon. Bye, guys.